informant, he was armed. He told us to stop.
And he said, if you want to get arrested, oh no, we can't. No, honey, no.
Just waiting on the wife and then we'll head out. This is the life. You know, when we get back, I'm gonna install an aquarium in the condo. Have some fish. If we just eliminate all the windows and put an aquarium instead. We're leaving the hotel. Wait up. My tour guide. Yeah, sure. It's so nice out here. Where's the snow? No snow here. Oh, it's like Disney World. So there's like a stadium there. And then these are like, buy tickets to the show. Oh yeah, right here.
The mermaid lesson. Mermaid lesson.
Yeah. Mermaid. Oh, you can swim in mermaids. Yeah. 350 pesos.
Yeah, 350 is like not even like $10.
Yeah.
There's snacks here. Yeah, we're going to Luneta Park while it's not too humid. We're just I'm just gonna show Ryan the Luneta Park, and then we can walk around the. I think there's a
my tour guide.
Yeah, sure.
This truck is stuck, I think. So you want to give him a push?
Sure.
Almost.
Almost. There you go. One more. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Mangoes. Let's go. Ito na lang kami. Check
This? Over here, what's
Luneta?
Luneta Park.
We're in Luneta, I think, yeah, Luneta Park, and we can just go around.
So what's popular in Luneta Park?
This is where the monument, the Rizal Monument is. It's like just right on the other side. But look at that. That's like a ice cream truck.
Oh, Jamel.
Yeah.
Is Jamel ice cream?
No, that's that ice cream truck.
No,
that's like a common like the street food. So we just go with a bell and then just get the like kind of per scoop.
It's cool. There's these kites that you can just throw and they fly like birds.
Yeah.
You guys have everything here.
Yeah, it's more fun in the Philippines.
It's not, and it's not like overly humid. Like, what would you say?
Like there's sprinkler there.
Yeah, we can just jump in there. That's like a splash pad.
Oh, I think it's that one there.
Yeah.
Right there. But it's across the street.
That's alright. So what's this up ahead?
I think
let's check. That looks like it's something. And what's that statue of? Is that an animal?
That's a monument.
No, the statue, the black statue.
That's a car.
Oh, caribou?
Yeah, caribou.
Is that like an?
Yeah, because that's like a very the Philippine flag here, where the monument there is a very popular like attraction.
Okay, so we're walking. What's this monument called?
I think that's the Rizal Monument. I'm not really that sure, but we can have a closer look. Like I think it's that's the Rizal Monument, or on the other side. We'll see. We'll see.
So yeah, this is it up ahead. It's like he's giving thanks. Say it again. You don't think this is not? Who is this?
No.
Who do you think this is?
Oh no.
Lorenzo di Manila.
Okay, we're not in the Rizal.
No, it's Lorenzo di Manila.
Yeah, I think Rizal is on the other side.
Oh, okay. there's the Filipino flag, right?
Yeah, Philippines. Flag of the Philippines.
I have a feeling that I'm getting gypped on this tour. It's almost like the tour guide is more clueless about this area than I am. I bet you she wouldn't even know how to get back to the hotel if I left her here.
Yeah. So we're just like, yeah, that's the monument on the other side of the street. Yeah. Oh, look at that! That's really good. The Kalesa.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a
right
Kalesa.
Yeah, here. The caribou. Alright, go ahead. Looks like Sally's gonna hitch a ride. She just pretty much. The traffic here looks like it's always insane. When we pulled in last night, it was maybe just before 11 p.m. local time, and just bumper to bumper everywhere. And if you think getting out of airports in North America is difficult, try getting out of an airport in Manila. Victor? Let's just get a motorcycle and just drive around.
Yeah, sure.
They'll notice we're tourists and give us the right of way. All right.
That way we can go.
Oh, I think Sally's taking a liking to this guy. She keeps going up to him.
Yeah, the Baywalk is in that. Wag na! Lalakad lang! Exercise!
Oh, he was gonna give us a ride. See?
Yeah.
Because he's probably like looking at you thinking, this girl is clueless. She's obviously not from here. Or even if she is, like poor guy, he's in the hands of this as a tour guide. What street is this? It's probably one of the, it's probably like the equivalent of Yonge Street in Toronto.
This is, I don't know. I'm not from Manila, so I can do it in Legazpi and Alba in my hometown, Kamalig, but not in Manila.
So what's this here? This is the Spiral Monument. Oh, look at this mural.
Really nice.
What's that made out of, you think?
Tiles.
This is the dancing rings. So won first place in the 2008 International Olympic Committee Sport and Art Contest.
Oh, that's
So this was done in, I guess, for the 2008 Beijing Games.
These are exercise.
Now it's starting to get hot. It's time to go to the pool.
When there's shade, it's fine.
Yeah, it's so. I mean, what time is it? It's around 11:20. So yeah, it is humid, but it's not unbearable.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, it's just hot actually. It's more hot than humid. So this is Roxas Blvd,
Yeah.
and then that's actually leads back to our hotel.
Hindi ho, salamat!
Doesn't look like it's closed.
No, the boardwalk is like a long walk with all the ocean and all the things. If we want to quick and then we go back and swim.
Alright, we can. Casino Filipino. Want to go in and play? Look, 100 degree. That's what I think the temperature is going to get up to today.
There's a show there.
Exceptional shows. Rizal Park Hotel. So this is where the casino is. You can go in and play some Texas Hold'em. Do you know these celebrities?
I think that I was taking a picture of a guy at the airport last night. I think that's him.
Which one?
I saw a girl.
Which one?
Picture of this young guy here.
King Cibriano.
Yeah.
So according to Sally, we apparently met him last night.
It's too hot. Wala!
So it's funny. Yeah, my tour guide, who's native Filipina, is too warm for. It's actually feeling too hot for the weather. Meanwhile, this Canadian guy is just fine.
Nakita mo mayaman. Walang pera na yan.
Children's Museum. Well, how do you pronounce it? Museo Pambata.
Yeah.
Museo Pambata. See, I'm learning. Who's this?
His name is
Dolphy.
Yeah, he's Rodolfo Vera Quezon. Dolphy. He's a very popular. I like him. When I was a kid, I used to watch a lot of his show. He's so funny and he's a really nice guy.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's king of comedy.
Did you ever meet him?
Dolphy. No, not in real life. Common like flower.
This is a common flower?
Yeah.
What's it called?
See, it's common, but I don't even remember. I know. You know.
This tour, I'm gonna get my money back. The tour guide's complaining about the humidity. Needs to stay in the shade. Are you sure I'm not the native Filipino?
So that Jayco is a popular donut shop.
And this is the...
Yeah, those are couriers. It's a very popular United Nation Avenue.
Is this a police car?
Yeah.
So I don't get it. Is the back for prisoners? Huh? Is the back for prisoners?
What?
Like, what's the back for? The back seat? That's for prisoners?
No. There's like...
I'm just wondering because it's pretty open. Hey, look, shields.
Huh?
Look, police shields.
Yeah. We almost got in trouble. We didn't know it's a Philippine embassy and you're not supposed to appear by the
our tour guide took us to the United States Embassy where we were like just oblivious filming video and film when all of a sudden a cop starts
not a cop, that was a security guard.
Oh, still he was in uniform and he was armed. He told us to stop
and he said if you want to get arrested, oh no, we can't, no honey, no.
All right, so I spoke too soon because not even a few seconds after I was trying to film that other scene, another security guard stopped us and tried to collect our camera. I think now we're safe, right, tour guide?
The Baywalk, so it goes all the way like miles to all like.
Actually, so that's the other side from what we could see from our when we were having breakfast at the hotel. There's that dome, Ferris wheel, and the dock over at the other side of the water.
In the evening, there's a lot of people walking and jog in this area.
Yeah.
And I think there's like restaurants, just like, see that building there? I think those are restaurants.
Right over there.
Yeah. I think this is Roxas Boulevard.
Yeah, wow. And it's like not even noon yet. Starts. 7-Eleven. So they have like fried chicken in here.
Yeah,
we're in the 7-Eleven.
You want a Coke?
A Red Horse. Oh, Sandwich flavored beer.
There's those ones. Ice, vodka. There's a big litro.
Big Red Horse. That's popular with Canadians. Look, chicken nuggets. Oh, you want some chicken?
No, we have
No. This flavor is here that we don't have at home.
No, we have that. Coconut.
I haven't seen it.
We even have one at home. Thank you.
So what's this? The Pancor? So this is another casino. So there's a lot of banks here. Is this like a major financial area?
Yeah.
Their monument. You don't know who this one is, right? You don't know who this is. It's a lot of, yeah, it's a lot of banks.
That's the Mercury drugstore is like the biggest like pharmacy here.
Yeah.
They also sell like.
I'm curious what banking would be like here in the Philippines. I guess it's set up. Is that guy like a guard at the front?
All of the banks have guards.
He's armed?
Yeah.
So we're back crossing by the United States Embassy, but we're at least on the other side of the road. So I flipped this camera around. Technically, I'm breaking the law. So at least we know that for next time. But yeah, passing by a whole bunch of hotels, restaurants, banks. It's really like a center of activity here, huh?
Yeah. And at night, it's really nice where we were at the boardwalk. It's like an
yeah, look at this tree. Yeah.
those are like the popular donuts. And they even have a donut sandwich.
Where?
Look at that one, the salami.
Oh yeah.
That one.
Sandwich on
Yeah,
donuts.
those are like sandwiches.
So we're in Jco.
Yeah, apparently this is popular here in the Philippines.
Here in Jco, just a coffee and donut shop just to get some refreshments after walking here in Manila for a while. Humidity is starting to get to us, and it's extremely crowded. And as we get closer to noon, the sun is getting warmer as well. Pretty cool. That's exactly what we need right now.
I got the mocha, what is it? The mocha espresso. Look, it came with a donut, glazed donut.
Oh yeah.
We can share. I wasn't looking for a donut, but it's free.
What is it?
Mocha espresso. It's good. Yeah, I like it. Have a bite. Yeah, that one is for free. What does it say? Smile?
Smile.
Take a bite for a glacier smile. Oh, look at that. I'm trying the mocha espresso, and I don't want to whip cream just to lessen a little bit of my calories, but it tastes really good and looks like it's probably for charity. It's like take a bite for a glacier smile. So let's see if a glacier smile is donut. It's just glazed one, so pretty good.
Does it make you smile?
Wow.
All right, so thanks for joining us on our stroll through Luneta Park and Roxas Blvd. We're going to head back to the Hotel H2O now. And when you next see us, we will be checking out and making our way to the Manila airport to continue our trip and make it our way to our next stop in Legazpi City and reunite with Sally's parents. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. So leaving the H2O, it's been awesome staying here. About 20 kilos each, and we're both slightly over. I'm looking for Jollibees. Looking for Jollibees. What's that down there?
Gonna have a Jollibee here?
Oh my god, I see Jollibee. Jollibee.